Hi guys, welcome to another wine tasting vlog with me, your girl Danielle, and Tato.
Your girl Tato.
So just get ready for a super fun filled day with us.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Hilya, Iikuyu, and if it is your first time stopping by, then you are most definitely welcome to stay. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're doing with your life, I really don't, but I can know what you're doing with your life, obviously, by subscribing to my YouTube channel and watching the videos that I drop. Okay, so today I'm back at it again at another wine farm, wine tasting again, because y'all know your girl loves some good wine. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below anything you might have to say. But other than that, let's just get into the video.
It's a Chardonnay. It's 100% non-vintage. I personally say it's like drinking an appetizer with alcohol. And with this, you have a gorgeous apple taste coming through, but because of your yeast, that pushes through.
Pasta Nom Chardonnay.
This is like
It's so sparkly, it actually tastes like champagne. It's very fruity and I like it.
Used in a herbal tea. Very light, very easy drinking, goes and extremely smooth. You ladies like sushi?
So this is the Pasta Nom Chenin Blanc. And it just tastes like, what does it taste like? It tastes a bit fruity and it's very soft on the tongue. And you say raw? Yeah. Raw. She said it goes very well with sushi, so you guys know how much I love sushi. So if I had sushi here, then I'll probably be enjoying the Pasta Nom, whatever it's called. And yeah, guys, I'm actually feeling a bit after one. I'm feeling a bit hazy. It's like the complete opposite is happening to when I went when I was last wine tasting.
But I think you like because you actually like it.
This is the view you get from the bathroom. Like, what the fuck? I feel like other people can't see it from here. Took a 70% Merlot, 30% Cabernet Franc, blended that together so it could mature for 18 months in a French oak barrel, bringing out and enhancing the true richness, elegance and sophistication of this wine. This is also the only wine that has a cork in it, and it's basically used for the romance in the art. Enjoy it, ladies.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I haven't tasted this wine yet. I'm not a big fan of red wine, but here goes something. It is quite strong. You can really taste the matureness of the grapes.
So what?
The matureness of the grapes. The maturity of the grapes. I am quite, but I think it gets the job done, and that's all that matters.
Gorgeous about this one has got a beautiful Shiraz in it. It's Petit Verdot, Malbec and Cab.
Petit Verdot, I know what that is. That's what. Okay, never mind.
Hi guys, so we're drinking the Shiraz, which is our final wine, and it's a bit more spicy than the previous wine, but I really enjoy it.
I feel like it hasn't stayed.
And yeah, I've really enjoyed this whole experience.
You rate it
I would-
out of 10.
Out of 10, I rate it a 10. Okay, wait, let me give it a 9 because I don't know, maybe I could go to a better place. But I recommend it. Please come. It's so amazing. And follow me on the gram, Danielle_Topkin.
You always
Tato
say
Ngobili. Tato_Ngobili.
So guys, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below.
Wait, we're still going for cake. We're still going for
Still
cake.
going for cake, but I don't know if I'll be able to vlog. Anyways, bye guys. See you guys in the next video.
Follow me, Danielle_Topkin.
Don't drink alcohol, kids.